Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you the topic circular current loop as a magnetic dipole, which is given in the NCERT chapter of class 12 moving charges and magnetism. So इस टॉपिक के बारे में जानने से पहले थोड़ा सा हम इसका बैकग्राउंड जानते हैं। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि 1820 में एक साइंटिस्ट हुए थे एंड ही वॉज वेयरस्टेड. So Weierstedt observed that when a current carrying a straight wire, he took a current carrying a straight wire and he brought a compass needle near the current carrying a straight wire. He found that the compass needle showed deflection. And what kind of deflection it was? It was tangential deflection, which I can show you here. So suppose it is your straight current carrying wire and a compass needle was brought close to it. This compass needle showed deflection tangentially. So it was concluded that there must be some kind of field lines, so that the deflection was in a tangential direction. So from this experiment, Weierstedt concluded that moving charges or currents produced a magnetic field in a surrounding space. Moving charges and currents produce a magnetic field in a surrounding space. Okay, then another term which will be used in this topic is magnetic dipole. So what is magnetic dipole? Magnetic dipole is nothing but an alignment of a pair of opposite poles, North Pole and South Pole, in a magnetic field, in very simple words. Then another term is your magnetic moment or magnetic dipole moment. Both are same. What is magnetic moment? Strength or orientation of a magnet or any other object producing magnetic field. That is called as magnetic moment. किसी भी मैग्नेट का स्ट्रेंथ, उसका ओरिएंटेशन या फिर कोई ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट जो कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रखा है, तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज आ जाएंगी. उसको हम बोलते हैं मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ दैट मैग्नेट या फिर मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ दैट ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज केप्ट इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. एंड मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट को डिनोट कैसे करते हैं? इट इज डिनोटेड बाय M, which is equals to IA. I क्या है यहाँ पे? करंट है. A क्या है यहाँ पे? एरिया है. Now, let us come to the derivation of this topic. So here we will discuss about circular current loop as a magnetic dipole. Because see, if there is a current carrying wire, whether it is a straight wire or it is a circular wire, and if current is flowing through the wire, then there must be certain magnetic field associated with the current carrying wire. Okay. So in your previous sections, you must have studied about the magnetic field on the axis of a circular dipole, which is given by mu naught B, which is given by B equals to mu naught IR square upon 2 x square plus r square 3 by 2. B, where B is what? Magnetic field. X is what? X is your this distance from the point O, between the point O and P is the place where magnetic field is to be determined. In that case, magnetic field at the point P was given by this expression, where R is the radius of the circular wire. Okay, now I is the current flowing through the wire. So students, in case this X is very large than R, okay, in that case, if X is greater than R, very much greater than R, in that case R square from the denominator will be cancelled out. This R square will be cancelled out if X is greater than R. In that case, the expression becomes B equals to mu naught I R square divided by twice of X square multiply 3 by 2. Okay, this power 3 by 2. 2 cancel out. So what I will get? We will get mu naught I R square upon twice X cube. Okay, now I am rubbing it. Now mark this as equation 1. Okay, this is your equation 1. Now write divide and multiply equation 1 by pi. पाई से हम इस इक्वेशन को डिवाइड करेंगे और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. विल गेट b इक्वल्स टू म्यू नॉट पाई, ओके, r स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई i अपॉन ट्वाइस ऑफ x क्यूब मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई. ओके, इट इज क्लियर. नाउ b equals to, we know that area of a circle is given by pi r square, and here we are taking a circular loop, so that is why it will become b equals to mu naught a I upon 2x cube multiply by pi. Okay, now next step is will be b equals to mu naught. We can write it like this, arrange it like this, mu naught IA upon 2 pi x cube. We also know that magnetic moment M is equals to IA. That is why we can write like this. Okay, here you can write M equals to IA. Okay, So this is your equation 2. Next step is equation 2 can be written as B equals to mu naught multiply 2m upon 4 pi x cube. Why? Because 2 divided by 4 we will get 1 by 2 means the same expression. We have done nothing. We have actually written this expression in this form. On cancelling 2 2s are 4, you will get this expression only. Okay? So it is 2m upon 4 pi x cube. So we get B equals to mu naught 2m upon 4 pi x cube. So here we can say that we have expressed circular current loop as a magnetic dipole and its magnetic dipole moment. Okay? In case of electric field, this mu naught will be equal to 1 pi epsilon naught. This m will be equals to P. So I hope the topic is clear to you all. In case of any doubts, you please freely ask to me. Thank you so much.